Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we've got something really special to talk about. You know, with all the advancements in technology, it's easier than ever for prying eyes to sneak a peek at our private information. That's why I'm excited to introduce the anti-spy glass for iPhone. This amazing privacy screen protector is designed to keep your personal and sensitive information safe from wandering eyes. Whether you're using the latest iPhone 15 or rocking an older model like the iPhone 7, this privacy screen protector is compatible with a wide range of models, so you can enjoy peace of mind no matter which iPhone you have. The anti-spy glass is engineered with cutting-edge technology that allows you to see your screen clearly while preventing others from viewing it at an angle. With just 12 pcs of this incredible protector, you can say goodbye to nosy neighbors and prying coworkers trying to sneak a peek at your phone. And the best part? Installation is a breeze, and it doesn't interfere with the touch sensitivity of your screen. Plus, it's ultra-thin and durable, so you won't even notice it's there until you need it. So, if you value your privacy and want to keep your personal information safe and secure, I highly recommend checking out the anti-spy glass for iPhone. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more awesome tech reviews and tutorials. See you next time.